Want to have a clean looking PC that stands out? Today we'll do an all-white build introducing the white RTX 40 series cards from MSI. White PC builds are popular, but whether you're building from scratch or upgrading, MSI has the components to match your needs. And please take a moment to subscribe to MSI Gaming for the latest news and tutorials. We'll be using our new RTX 4070 Ti Gaming X Trio White. MSI graphics cards are the most compact with triple slot rear I/O support and card support brackets, and will fit into more compact cases like the one we have today. Our motherboard is this ATX sized MPG Z790 Edge Wi-Fi DDR5, and we're putting in an Intel i9 13900K CPU. The MSI MPG Gungnir 110R White is a compact ATX case with a 20 gigabit Type-C port up front with 170mm width for CPU coolers and graphics cards, and a maximum of 340mm for GPU length. Note we're mounting the AIO radiator up top as we need the maximum space. The all-in-one CPU cooler is the MSI MAG Core Liquid 240R White. And the MPG A750GF White is a 750 watt power supply for our system. The Intel i9 13900K offers great FPS in gaming and shaves minutes off production workloads compared to their 12900K. Removing the heatsink, we have a Spatium 2TB M.2 SSD for storage. For memory, we have 32 gigs of G.Skill Trident Z DDR5 RGB. Our MSI RTX 4070 Ti Gaming X Trio White delivers great frame rates at 1440p, up to 20% higher than a 3080 depending on the game. We hooked up the front panel I/O, fans, and ARGB, so we'll install the RTX 4070 Ti Gaming X Trio White. To install your GPU, insert the card into the PCIe slot, making sure the PCIe lock engages, and fit the support bracket under the card, and screw the rear bracket to the case. Note you shouldn't use force to install the bracket, which may damage your GPU. Laying down your case may make this easier. Our A750GF will use two 8-pin cables into the included dongle. Make sure they're all the way in and the top latches lock. Next we'll plug it into the card. With it inserted fully, the bottom latch will lock. Next we'll connect the ARGB and fan wiring to the hub. For the final step, passing a quick test, it's time to close up our MPG Gungnir 110R White case. MSI graphics cards are optimized with better performing thermals and acoustic solutions, and triple slot rear I/O and brackets to better support your graphics card. Please visit the MSI website to see our selection of RTX 40 series cards and specs. Hopefully this guide helped you. Please give us a like and subscribe to MSI Gaming for the latest news. Thanks for joining us today and have fun gaming. See you next time.